All right, welcome to Mount Rushmore. I forgot to stop taking a picture of the sign, so this is your Mount Rushmore video. This is the I don't know where the hell I'm at part of this tour. Oh, I guess I should keep going up. I'm on level 1. Who knew I should have gone lower than that, higher than that. All right, Mount Rushmore National. Just that's where we are. All right, on to the monument. Woohoo! This is awesome.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, so there's a long walk up. Just goes to show how out of shape I am. This is awesome. Look, they got extra space up there where they can put Trump. That's funny right there. I wonder how many thumbs down that'll get me. All right, that's the dude. His son sculpted that. Right on, right on. All right, all the workers. There are quite a few of them. Even some folks that started with a Z. Nice. Yes, that crazy ass woman just about walked into me. It's not like I'm a small individual.
Yeah, see down below the
That's pretty damn cool. You gotta be here to see, appreciate how high it is up top. This isn't like a couple weeks ago. I don't get to ride a boat up to it, unfortunately. I'm not gonna get drowned in this one. Hey, but next up, we're going to see Crazy Horse. The Grand View Terrace. Dun dun dun. Damn. It almost looks like Washington's crying up there. Y'all see that? For what all the damn Democrats have done to this country, he's still crying. That's terrible, isn't it? That'll give me some more thumbs down. That's awesome. And there's an amphitheater below. All right, we're gonna get the good camera out and see what happens. There's the amphitheater. Here's the far away from this one. Hunting sponsors. All right. One last view. All right. Y'all want some movie from the big camera? All right. All right, we'll walk through the state flags as we leave out here. Do you see your state flag? I saw North Carolina back there. Haven't seen Alabama yet. They probably hide us rednecks somewhere. Right on, right on. Oh damn, I missed the gift shop. Let's go to the gift shop. That guy had a cool hat on. I like the guy's Rushmore hat. So. Memorial Team ice cream. Huh. So yeah, let's go to the gift shop, see what we can find. We don't need cards. I've got postcards. Okay, we're going to the Indians next.
Here are joined the strength and wisdom of humankind, strength and majesty of nature. This shrine, these men, symbolize the birth of a nation.
On top of 4, measurements for Hallmark times 12, an inch on the mountain for every foot on the mountain.
All right, here we go. On the Crazy Horse. The view out here, I don't know if I got it the last time, but we'll get it again. Just for the sheer heck of it. Got a hat. For those of you who are tired of seeing the Alabama hat, Nevermore Antiques. Hey, I got a Mt Rushmore hat. Cubs hat was bad luck. We lost when I was wearing it the day of the playoffs. Oops. So how about a Mt Rushmore hat? Beautiful place. One last time. That's the view you walk into the park. It's pretty damn cool. All right, cruising on out. I gotta pay for parking. Don't let me forget. The Black Hills of South Dakota. Bearded Picker approved. Beautiful place.
I'm leaving my ladder right there. Oh,
The snow just adds to it. I recommend this time of year, get up here before the real heavy snow. Just enough to make people not come up here. That makes it awesome, right? Because you can walk up there and not have to bother with anybody. Yes, it is as beautiful in person as it is you're looking at. The Bearded Picker takes you to the greatest places. Yay, Bearded Picker. All right, let's go find the van. Well, we're saying goodbye to Mt Rushmore. See ya. And on the Crazy Horse. I don't even know what it's supposed to look like. I think I've seen it on TV, but I'm not quite sure. Just thought I'd let this camera roll. This is a curvy, turny. The snow has really made it pretty cool. So, yes, I'm thinking same thing y'all are thinking. How about they take a big glass of, get out the way. Take a big swig, come on. It's just a road. It's damn near dry. Let's roll. This is what I do better at night. There's not nearly as much. Oh, this is something up here. I wonder what the hell it is. There's an animal of some sort up here. Let's see what it is. We can't even see what the animal is. Oh, cool. See him? What's up, dude? That's a handsome fellow right there. All right. He's just out drinking water in the road. You know, there's a whole mountain full of water there, billy goat, or white horn ram, or I don't know. I'll have to look you up. Somebody know in the comments. Somebody tell me what the hell that was. Right. Very nice. Like this isn't dangerous. If y'all can see this camera stuck right up on the I've got it clawed to the dash. All right, this is behind the scenes of the making of this video here, just so y'all can see the craziness it is currently me driving through the park. Welcome to the Black Hills Mountains. We're only a mere 17 or 18 miles from the Crazy Horse Thief Lake Campground. All right, most of the campgrounds are closed at this current time. The Big Pine Trail ahead. I think it would be cool to hike in here somewhere and do all this kind of fun stuff, but there's money to be made, right? Alright, we'll at least take one thing off the window. Now we're back down to 3 again. Man, that is a beautiful mountain off to the side. A lot of trees down. I wonder if Bigfoot knocked them down. He put them in a nice little orderly fashion. That looks like something Bigfoot would do. Every night he just comes out here and knocks a couple more down. Sasquatch. I've got good cameras rolling. Be a good time to walk on the street. I'm ready, Bigfoot. "13 miles, 27 minutes. Man, this is awesome. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. More trees down. Definite Sasquatch activity. There's a whole lot of trees down. Do you think that's global warming? Sorry, I couldn't resist. As there's snow on the ground, it's global warming.